This is our final project in AutoCAD, and this is our first floor. This is the public grounded level, which was meant largely for eating and entering. It has a huge restaurant space on the left and a spacious lobby that surround the center covered core. Dito, makikita nyo na dito nakalagay yung parang canteen or eating and restaurant namin sa first floor. Dito na namin siya nilagay para applicable sa mga tao. Pagpasok pa lang, may makikita na kainan na pwedeng kainan para hindi na sila mahirapan. Next floor. This is the transition and support level for the office above, including essential staff, facilities. It has a big conference room, a break area, and a combination of private and group workstation. Dito, pinagsama lang namin yung staff facility, saka yung private and workstation. Sa second floor namin yan. Next, third floor. This level is a typical high-density workspace, including office and a huge meeting area in neatly arranged several clustered workstation and individual private office around the central core. Dito nilagay namin yung parang work area siya. Puro yun nga mga offices, dito namin siya nilagay sa third floor. Next, fourth floor. This is another conventional office floor with a focused cluster workstation and support area. It has a consistent office structure of open workstation and smaller private room to enhance worker capacity. Kagaya lang din naman siya ng sumunod na floor pero mas pinaliit namin siya para mas ma-enhance yung work capacity. Next, fifth floor. This is the executive floor, which is ideal for high-level meeting and specialized team. It has many big border rooms and private rooms, which compress with the dense open layout of the other level. Kumbaga, ito yung parang high-end na meeting spot ng floors namin. Kumbaga, kung may mga gaganapin na mga importanteng meeting, mga pag-uusapan, dito namin siya ginaganap sa fifth floor. Next. Next. Yan. This level is intended for maximum operating capacity, either capacity, a call center, or major departmental headquarter. It has a larger density, closely spaced workstation, and design informal break area. Dito, parang yung headquarters to Pina building. Dito siya nakalagay sa aming 6th floor. At yung space dito ay hindi naman sobrang sikip, pero yun nga, pinagdikit-dikit namin. And next, 7th floor. This design shows the structural design of the main roof, which entirely encased the center core. It depicts the shape of unusual curving tiered stair system that's lead to the upper deck. Dito na siya um, yung daan na yan, papunta siyang roof deck. At kung makikita nyo dito, yung hagdan is naka-curve siya. Kumbaga, ganyan yung naging structural design namin. Up next, lastly, ito yung roof deck. Dito makikita yung pinakamataas na part ng floor plan namin. This plan display the highest accessible level, which included a tiered staircase and a tiny enclosed building. This space serves as outdoor pleasure deck for employee with access from the floor below. Kung dito makikita nyo, dahil ito yung roof deck namin, hindi naman siya nilagyan namin ng helipad kasi hindi naman namin naisipan na design yun. Pero kung makikita nyo yung daan dito, yung daan na yan is patungo sa mga below level. Patungo siya sa 7th floor, 6th floor, 5th floor, 4th floor, 3rd floor, 2nd floor, and 1st floor. Pababa siya. Kumbaga, meron diyang elevator pababa. And yun lang po. Thank you.
po, that is all our final project for our MECP final presentation.